The pink tax refers to the tendency for companies to upscale the prices of their products, which are specifically marketed towards women as opposed to products which are aimed towards a male audience. This phenomena is mainly caused due to a consumer being unaware and due to discrimination. However, as per our research, we have noticed that the primary cause is women believing that the goods, which are specifically marketed for women, is better suitable to their needs. Okay, so now let's look at some examples. The World Economic Forum WEF notes that product marketed to women can be pricier than similar ones for men. Items like cosmetics, shoes, and clothes often cost more when designed and advertised specifically for women. For instance, products in pink packaging targeted at women may have higher prices than gender neutral alternatives. Women's razors and perfumes are such examples. Okay, so now let's look at this graph. The graph shows that women often pay more than men for the same everyday products like razors, body wash, clothes, and even haircut, even though the items are very same. The versions marketed to women are priced higher. Even health products like whey protein, which has no correspondence to a certain gender, are priced higher just because it's for women. This price difference is known as the pink tax. It may seem small for each item, but over time, it adds up and affects women's overall expenses. This shows how gender based pricing is a real and unfair issue in the market. Okay, so now let's understand the causes of pink tax. Number one, gender based marketing. Companies design and market products differentially for men and women even when the products serve the same purpose. Women's version often have pink themed packaging, floral scents, or feminine designs, which are used as an excuse to raise their prices. Point number two, lack of consumer awareness. Many consumers believe that products which are for women are more suitable for their needs. For example, whey protein, which is the same for both women and men, is priced higher because women think it's more suitable for their body. Point number three, industry bias. Often in services like haircut, the industry assumes that women haircut will be more complex, hence they are priced higher. Now we are looking at socio-economic impact of pink tax. Point number one, increased financial burden on women. Women end up spending more on everyday essentials like toiletries, clothing, and services. Over a long term, this money can amount to thousands of rupees just for being a female. Point number two, reduced purchasing power. Higher costs mean women may save less money, invest less, and take longer to reach financial independence, especially in lower income households. Point number three, increasing gender pay gap. Women already earn less on average due to the existing gender wage gap. The pink tax adds to this inequality by raising their expenses, leaving them with even less disposable income or savings. Let's look at some counteractions. Point number one, consumer awareness. Consumers can counter pink tax by being aware of one's own need and what product best suits their needs. Point number two, government policies. The government can enforce consumer protection laws which ensure products marketed for different genders are similarly. In conclusion, I would like to say the pink tax is a form of gender based pricing that unfairly increases the cost of daily use objects for women. Brands implement subtle differences in marketing and packaging and upscale pricing for women's everyday essentials. This not only impacts women but also the economy. However, with awareness and active consumer can reduce the impact of the pink tax. A fair and equal market only begins with informed consumers and responsible businesses.